Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Stader or the ST token. Basically, it is called Stader Labs. As you can see here, it is a liquid staking platform, and it is a multi-chain, unlike Lido and others. It's available on Ethereum, Hedera, Polygon, and BNB. As you can see here, and as of now, they have over 762 million worth of token staked or assets staked, so that's a lot, I would say. And if we look at their users, it's 100k plus, of course it's a lot, and they also have paid over 25 million dollars in rewards as well, so that's a pretty big one. Basically, you can stake Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, or Hedera here as well, or HBAR, and for Ethereum you get ETH, which is their liquid or LST token. After that, if you go to the Polygon, you I think get like Matic X. It should be Polex, but it's called Matic X. And for the BNB, it's of course called BNB X. After that, followed by HBAR, it's called HBAR X. Now, if we look at its token, or you can say its protocol in general, it is like others, so like Lido or the Binance Stake ETH, or even the Jito, or even the Rocket Pool, and it's like others. And as you can see here, as of now, it is the 13th biggest liquid staking platform out there. And if we just look at its overall position in the DeFi platforms, it's at 61st, as you can see here. And if we look at its TVL, it has been going up, so I would say that it's understandable because the Ethereum did go up, so the TVL went up as well. Now if we talk about the SG token, which is their governance and utility token, so it is a governance token. You can, as you can see here, you can actually vote and do other things here. After that, it has additional things that are pretty interesting ones. So you can earn SG tokens as a rewards by providing liquidity to Stader LSTs, or by locking SG tokens as a collateral as an ETH node operator. This is the first one. You can also participate in governance, and you can also get additional rewards as well. And you can also become an ETH node operator by bonding 0.4 ETH worth of SG tokens. So you do need SG tokens, so that's pretty good, I would say. After that, you can also daily get ST tokens to the utility pool and get rewarded there as well, so that's pretty good. And this is very interesting one. So they do a quarterly buyback. So basically, Stader executes quarterly buybacks utilizing 20% of the revenue generated in the respective quarters. So if we look at their revenue as of now, this is how it looks like. So in Q2, they basically ended up getting around 134k. It's not a lot. It was basically down from Q1, but again, they did improve their revenue in Q1, as you can see. And Q2, it is fairly, I would say, same. So basically, they are using the 20% of this to buy back the token. I know it's not a lot, but again, it's something that the team is buying back the token, and they are probably giving these back to the stakers. Now, if we talk about the token itself, it has a max supply of 120 million, and this is how it was distributed. So rewards and farming gets around 38, and public and private sales 26, team and advisors 21, and DAO fund 6.25, and ecosystem fund like 7.5. Now if we just go to the Tokenomics, this is how it looks like. So as of now, according to this, all of them have received the token. But if we just go here on their own section, where they basically list how the tokens are being invested, as you can see here, as of now, the investors and the private sales have yet to receive like 3.12 million SG tokens, whereas the team still gets around 15.52. And after that, we have rewards and farming, which will continue till I think beyond 2028. So that's, I would say, pretty good. But again, I think once the investors and the team gets all their tokens, after that the SG coin could actually go up really high. And as of now, if we talk about its price, it has been basically recovering slowly. So I would say that's pretty good. Now if we look at the liquid, or you can say LSTs, the competition is just too big. So if you look at others, we have Lido, we have Jito, and all of them have a pretty big market cap. As you can see here, the biggest one is LDO with a market cap of over 1 billion. Even if you look at the Rocket Pool, it has a market cap of 157, and it has a TVL above 2 billion. So if we compare it to SD token, I would say the market cap is fairly, I would say it's fairly good in terms, at least if we compare it against the Rocket Pool's TVL overall. So Rocket Pool has a TVL of above 1 billion or 2 billion, and it has a market cap of 157, and Stader has around 700 million, so market cap is around 34 million. So I think again it can do like 2x from here, but going beyond 2x may be a bit of a challenging for this coin as of now. The reason being is that if we are comparing against other liquid staking governance token, all of them have a market cap that is fairly, I would say, that is fairly valued. And if we look at SD token itself, it can be seen that it is also fairly valued compared to others, but it is a multi-chain, unlike Rocket Pool, which is only available on Ethereum. So if it does continues to go up, as of now it is trying to break above 200 EMA, as you can see here, and if it does breaks above this 200 EMA, I think it can do like 2x to like 3x is a possibility. So if it does goes up from here, I am expecting a pretty good pushback, I'm expecting a pretty good I would say price surge up to 1.77 if that does happens. If not, 1.2 is a possibility, because as of now it is trying to break above this 200 EMA, and it seems like it's going up. So again, you have to understand that this is a multi-chain. So if the H bar continues to go up, so the demand for the H bar's liquid staking will also go up, and that will also help, I would say, Stader as well. So that is something pretty interesting, because H bar has been performing really well. So I think if the H bar does continues to go up, and if the demand for the Stader ST does go up from there, I think it can do really well. But again, we'll have to wait and see how that happens. But if you look here, the H bar TVL did actually end up hitting over 170 million on its peak. So I think as of now it is going down, but if the H bar does continue to perform, I think the TVL for the H bar will most likely increase, and if it rivals Ethereum's, the demand for the token, or the ETH token, could actually surpass the demand of the Rocket Pool. So I think that is a possibility. Again, that is, I would say, that is a potential that this coin could have, that the H bar could go up and it could actually boost the TVL of this coin. But as of now, as we are in the earth season, I am expecting, if it does goes up, I am expecting a move as high as this one, so most likely in between 1.2 to 1.85. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back more. Thanks for watching.